Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, select Allow and while using in the pop-ups. So while using the app, Allow. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access Home button. Then click on it. Now go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Apps section. From here, click on Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps from the list. Finally, click on Launcher, tap on iOS one and click on Home button. Then select Got it in the pop-up. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my POCO. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on POCO Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!